click here to subscribe, Learn Technology channel. And then click on this bell icon for our future videos.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to move your photo like this. For this, just follow me and learn. Okay, take pen tool and just do what I am doing. Select area which you want. Right click on it. Make selection 1 pixel only. Okay, and copy this one and click on create new layer. Select the background layer and go to edit and then fill, and here take content aware, then hit on OK. Now select layer 1 and hit Ctrl V on keyboard. Make your layer 1 invisible. Now select the background layer and take clone stamp and follow me. Hit Alt for selection and drag this, and hit Alt, drag this, Alt, drag this, do this one. Now select layer 1 to visible. And now take a new document, go to file and click on new document. Okay, select the pixels which dimension you want and then create. Now drag your document into new window. Now hold the control button, select these two layers and drag into your new document. Just minimize this window and adjust the photo in your window. Now right click on your layers and convert them into smart objects. Go to window and take timeline and then create video timeline. Take the layer 2 and click on transform. Now hit Ctrl+T in your keyboard and then adjust the image and go to the end of the timeline, give a keyframe, and now adjust the image into smaller size and place it in the middle. Okay, then go to your layer 1 and then go to video start page and click on transform and give a keyframe, and then go to the end and give a second keyframe, and here one more time click Ctrl+T on your keyboard and drag this into zoom and place it in the middle of the window. Okay, I'm just decrease the video size. You can create which size you want. This is keyframe. Okay, okay, we are done the job. This is the preview. Now go to export and click on render video and create your video. Okay guys, if you like this video, please click on like button and comment below on this video and subscribe to my channel guys.